The greatest show above the earth returns bigger and better than ever. Free to the public.
If it's free, then it's for me.
Yes, Miami's party station, Power 96, revolutionary technology and equipment of the United States.
Président, ça fait nous là. Ça fait nous là. Pourquoi ces pays à nous? Maman. Ah ouais. C'est la mode là, c'est la fête. C'est la école, c'est la fête. Hein? Les petits peuples à quitter, ils vont voter. Prenez-le, man. Bon, faut le passer. Hello? Hello? I'm good, I'm good. How you doing? Come in. Damn, no, me do them both now. Okay, whistleblower? Yeah.
Wait, that's a tripod? I had LED lights, but they broke.
Can you buy your new one?
Oh, please do.
Alright.
Then I put it on the wall. Because I had 3 packs, but they both all broke.
Are you gonna drink though?
How am I gonna drink?
Yeah.
Well,
Juice? Some people?
I am not going to drink any. I'm a vegetarian.
No way. Nah, thank you for the music, man. Thank you for the kiss, man.
I love you.
Love you too, man. You know I love you.
Yeah, I do.
What up, my brother? My little brother's key?
This ain't your brother. This is your cousin.
I know. I call him brother. That's his name right now. Brother.
No, no. His name is not brother.
Brother.
No.
I gave him back.
No, you did not.
That's why I'm calling you sister, though.
His name is Christian, not brother.
What's going on, brother?
Oh my God, I'm not your brother. He is.
Brother. Oh, my brother.
You tricked me.
My bad. Y'all good? You good, Christian? Everybody say yeah.
Okay, listen. He's been sad. Don't listen to him.
What do you mean?
He really wanted this toy that his mom really wanted, but he couldn't get it.
What kind of toy? What?
A Lego Duplo Playhouse.
I mean, why you need it?
Because he likes toys. I like toys to take the picture. Oh,
On peut des fêtes casse by ça, c'est pas ça. You know what I'm about to show? Yeah. I'm sure. I'm sure. On t'a reflet qui est dû.
Papa le gauche va y avoir. Colonel va aller.
See whatever the fuck you want, baby. Look.
What's that? Your camera?
Yeah. What was the power?
Okay, I didn't see, boy.
What do you ask?
Is this Megan?
Huh? Oh. Quavo just bullshitting.
Who you think? Who's this? It's in Quavo and Chris Brown.
Breezy, come on now. Stop playing with Breezy, man. Stop playing with Chris Brown, brother. For real, Breezy.